Hey y'all, I'm at the neatest store in downtown Savannah. I am in Oliver Bentley's doghouse.
Dog Deli Human Hangout.
And y'all, it's wonderful. And I'm here with the owner and the founder of this store, Eric. And you see he's a dog dad by his hat. And
Hey.
and this is one of his babies.
This is Ollie B.
Ollie B.
Oliver
is so
Bentley.
beautiful. Okay, so I didn't know if the name of your store was after a dog that you maybe used to have. But so
The original Oliver Bentley actually is his grandfather. This is Oliver Bentley II. We call him OB2.
OB2. Oh my gosh, if y'all come to Savannah, you got to come in here if you're a dog lover like us. And Eddie and Teresa and I decided, and Casey too, they all got together and said, you need to take the dogs downtown and let them play. So
We're the country's first ever dog deli and human hangout.
no,
Yep.
no.
It's like it says on the awning.
Right here in Savannah. And you were telling me, or telling Teresa earlier, that you're in some magazine this month.
Well, our dog tour.
The dog tour.
Yeah, we do a historic cut. We do a historic dog walk tour that, it turns out, a few years ago, Visit Savannah, the Tourism Bureau, said they wanted to promote how Savannah's so dog friendly and walkable.
Yes.
So they asked me and my dog Abigail to come out and pretend like I'm giving one of our historic dog walk tours. So
Do you do dog tours?
Yeah, we had one this morning. We'll have one tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Now, what is a dog tour like, Eric?
Well, so many properties are dog friendly. So many people travel with their dogs now.
Right.
It is the history of Savannah, but we cater to pet parents. So we're a smaller, more
So
intimate
it's a
tour.
walk-in tour for sure for the dogs.
We cover all the history of Savannah,
Oh my gosh.
all the dog-friendly places. This is all the restaurants in Savannah that are dog-friendly.
Oh, okay.
So we got our little dog-friendly Savannah map.
The Lady and Sons, our restaurant downtown, you know, we can't have dogs in except for service dogs.
Outdoor tables.
But my son started the chicken box.
Yeah, right.
Which is right there attached to the restaurant. So people can come up and eat with their dogs. And I just love that. I just love that because I'm definitely a dog mama.
Yep, pet parents are the best.
Yes.
So to answer your...
excuse me, Eric. And we brought all three of our babies in to meet Eric and Ollie B. And I don't know where they are.
They're roaming around. So here in the store,
Lulu,
we're awfully...
Gus, and there's Max over there. So we got all three of our babies. And what did you start to say, Eric?
No, just that the store is off leash. Let the dogs just roam. Yep, we're dog centric and human tolerant.
I love that. And
So, pets welcome. Children must be on a leash.
I know that's right. If you turn the kids loose, they'd be out trying to eat all the treats.
Yep.
This is his deli.
Actually, Gus has had his nose up over here.
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
I love it. That's so good.
And now, Eric, over here,
So the
you
company.
make these desserts here. Is that right?
Yeah. So
I'm not desserts, but treats.
the treats. Yeah. The company started years ago because I had a black lab with stomach cancer. So I started making my own treats, trying to find something that he wouldn't throw up and didn't give him diarrhea, quite frankly. I came up with a recipe, 8 ingredients, and now we ship all over the country. We're in Whole Foods, and So this is our original biscuits. It's honey, ginger, apples, molasses, but just like the secret Coke formula, there's a certain way of mixing it that I can't tell you. That's how we get it. Yep.
You'd have to kill me if you told me.
So that's what the company's been for over a decade.
Wow.
This space became available about a year ago, and I thought we could have our own product, but we could also do something different for pets, and that is what you just said. We're the country's first ever dog deli.
Yes, I want y'all
All
to see
freeze
this
dried, sourced from all over the country, wherever we find someone with a specialty, like the bison liver. We've got duck necks and duck feet. We've got...
Is that a duck neck?
That's a duck neck. Yep, from Louisiana. Pig ears. And then we got some baked goods on top, peanut butter turnovers, bacon cheddar bagels, bacon cranberry bagels, and then you have to have some dog sausages, lamb sausage and turkey sausage. And you know what's really interesting? As long as it's unsweetened, don't ever give dogs banana chips that are sweetened, but unsweetened banana chips.
I did not know that. I did not know that.
They're great.
Now, what kind of treat is that? Right?
Those are duck feet. Those are actual duck feet. Yep.
Okay. Well, my dogs, you know, I just buy them the treats from the grocery store. And I have a feeling they're not real good for them, but I've gotten in a bad habit with them. And I'm so afraid that the treats that I'm giving them are really not good for them.
Yeah, and that's...
So I want you to run me a tab. I want you to start me a tab, Eric. Because Gus, would you like a treat?
There's so many good smells in here.
Gus, I know it. Max, would you like a treat?
Oh, there he goes.
Okay.
He's gonna go over in the corner.
I'm gonna be taking 3 of these.
Okay.
And this is the duck liver.
That's beef heart.
Beef heart.
Beef heart, freeze-dried beef heart.
Sit.
Oh yeah.
Yes, he likes it.
Oh yeah.
Sit, Max.
Their inner wolf is gonna come out.
Sit, Max. Well, no sitting for Max, Lulu.
Oh. Lulu's, that duck foot's bigger than me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
I'm excited about this.
Yeah.
This duck heart.
Yep, that's the beef heart
Max.
there.
The beef heart.
Yep. And then
Lulu, come get you a treat.
here. And for Lulu's little mouth, maybe a pork liver. These nuggets are a little smaller. See if Lulu might take a little nugget of the pork. Oh, listen to Gus chew on that neck.
Yeah. That's the foot. Isn't that the foot?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, he got the duck foot. Yeah.
And he can digest that.
Yep. Hey, Lauren.
Max, Lulu, you want another treat?
So what we do with locals, we turn the scale on. Everything's by the ounce.
Okay, good.
We get a little deli box, and we start filling it up.
Good. And see, would I be guilty of giving them too much of this?
No, being freeze-dried and being organ meat, it's as healthy as it gets.
Okay.
High in protein, low in fat.
Okay. And now, they liked that.
They like the pork
Now,
liver.
Do you have to weigh things separately?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
And we do the duck feet by unit, so I don't have to weigh that.
Yeah, I had 3
then-
of those, but they didn't
Okay.
take but 1. They only took 1. So
All right.
I don't know if they took them anywhere else. So just get them up a variety, please,
Yeah.
Eric.
Let's do that.
So I'll just put a box together with some of our best
Yes.
stuff.
Okay,
and put it
that's
there?
great.
Okay.
That's great. And these should probably be used sparingly, right?
Yeah, they're so decadent and amazing.
So guilty about.
It's animals.
Yes. So, Eric, I have read that dogs are descendants of wolves.
Yeah.
And
Original
they're-
DNA.
Yes, and they are best eating raw
Yep.
organs.
That's what. Yep. So freeze dry is a way to have something shelf stable and still have all the nutrients. This either as a treat or as a topper on a meal that would be raw is just, that's perfect.
Okay.
That's exactly.
So if I went to the grocery store, what would I choose for my dogs?
Well, you could go with some nice lean ground turkey meat.
And raw. That's raw.
I would lightly brown.
Okay.
We call it gently cooked.
Okay.
Right.
Because
Now-
Lulu loves raw hamburger meat.
That's perfectly fine.
Oh, good.
I do a little gently cooked. So you could go in the ground, you could do hamburger. Say 80%, 80-20. You know, the fat. Turkey, definitely. If you're gonna do a meat, I'd just do boneless, skinless chicken. Maybe boil it a little bit.
Yeah, I do cook their chicken for them.
I like to add in herb-wise, do a little rosemary. Do a little parsley. Grain-wise, I'd go with something like a quinoa. A nice old grain, easy to digest and metabolize.
And just mix that with the.
And now for a little bit of texture, the secret, if I wasn't in the dog treat business, baby carrots. Baby carrots are the best.
Really?
Oh yeah, I do baby carrots all day long. My dogs have baby carrots after dinner every night.
Really?
And I'm in the dog treat business.
I don't know if mine would go for the carrots.
Okay. Yep.
Is this the hot buffet?
This is brand new. By the time this comes out, we'll be ready. But we'll have 5 raw signature recipes, all for different types of metabolisms and different dog needs.
That is.
Some dogs need more energy. Some dogs need lower calories because they're a little, I don't want to say lazy, but you know.
Yeah. Well, our dogs are now. I think Lulu is 11, right, Eddie?
Let's see.
11, 10, and 9.
Max will be 11. He will be 12. Lily will be 13 this year.
Really?
Oh my goodness, that can't be, Eddie.
The time flies.
My babies are
I know.
caught up with me in age.
I know, times by 7. They're older.
Yeah.
And here is your custom deli box.
Oh, wonderful! Look at that. Should I eat this or should I give it to them?
Is that that looks like the bacon cheddar bagel. Yeah.
Smells good.
It does.
So tell everybody your address, Eric.
Oh yeah.
So they can drop in if they've got their fur babies with them.
If you're in Savannah or coming to Savannah, sniff us out at 409 East York Street. We're just off Columbia Square in the Historic District, 409 East York Street. Or if you can't make it to Savannah, sniff us out at oliverbentleys.com. This and the deli counters, kind of new to us, so we're slowly getting the deli items onto our website, but sniff us out.
And listen, it's so great. And, you know, I would have a hard time trusting somebody if they don't love dogs.
I agree.
I agree. Is that bad?
I think Mark Twain said something like that.
Oh, he did. He did.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. There's
something about the unconditional love
yes,
that just gets you.
Absolutely.
Not that you boys don't love you, because I know they do.
Well, they don't love me like my dogs love me.
I think it's a good place to end.
Now, before I go, Eric, I want to go over here and pick in. So if you live here in Savannah, or if you're bringing your dog and you're on vacation and you think, oh my gosh, this little puppy is stinking, you can bring it right over here to Oliver Bentley and have them groomed.
Miss Gail's been doing it for almost 30 years. We'll just do a little glimpse thing.
Yes.
Here,
can we pull back the drape a little bit?
Just a little bit, yeah. Here, go ahead.
So that.
Just go ahead and get that.
So Miss Gail's been grooming dogs for 30 years.
Yes. Yep. She was down in Florida, Naples, retired, moved up here.
Oh, good.
Going stir crazy in retirement, walks in one day and says, I don't want to run a business anymore, but I love dogs and I got all the equipment. I said, you're hired. You just come in and do your
That dog reminds me so much of Lulu.
Is she pretty?
Only Lulu is a Havanese, Eric. She's so pretty.
Looking
You are
fresh.
so pretty. Isn't she pretty?
Getting a new look.
She pretty.
So overall, when this space became available, I thought pet stores need to evolve, make it a destination and a community space.
Yes.
I hosted the Christmas party for the Humane Society.
Oh, that's
just donated the
wonderful.
space,
That's
and we
wonderful.
do dog trivia once a month, dog trivia night. All the questions are about dogs. Last Tuesday every month, third Thursday every month, we have a vet speaker series. Dr. Beth Martin here in Savannah is a holistic vet. She'll come in and does a little 30, 40-minute talk, and we give out some coffee and wine.
That is so wonderful.
Yeah.
You have just created an incredible business, Eric. It's so personalized and so you feel a lot of love when you walk in your door. And that's great. Oh, did I hurt you with my ring?
From your lips to God's ears, Paula. From your
Yes,
lips to
yes,
God's ears. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. That's what we want to do.
Well, I have enjoyed being here so much, and I want to come back.
I'm going to hold you to that.
I want to come back.
And the pack is getting along like they've known each
Yes,
other for years. Look at it. They're all just
yes.
walking around,
Yes.
just
I do
enjoying
have
each
to
other's
say
company.
I think Gus was had a little nervous stomach when we came in because he
Yeah.
immediately
Yeah.
made himself at home with a big poo.
We had special stuff for that.
That's not the first time you
cleaned
cleaned up poo in here, though,
No,
is it?
this was a carpentry machine shop for 50 years, so we're blessed with the concrete floor.
These floors are fabulous.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes, they're perfect.
A half a century of doing woodworking in here.
Well, I have so appreciated
All right, my
being
friend.
with you today. And like I
Thank
said,
you.
I want to be back, and I wish you all the success in the world.
Thank you.
But you can see the love, y'all, when you walk in this store. Love and best dishes for our four-legged friends.
Woof.
Oh, him a baby.
He's giving her a hug.
Him a baby.
Oh my God, that's so funny.
Oh, I could take you home.
I've honestly never seen him do that before.
I could take you home.
I've honestly never seen him do that before. That's too cool.
Well, they know who
Yeah.
likes them.
Oh my
and who
God.
doesn't. Oh, say I'm
actually
so
kinda
jello. Say I'm the biggest jello dog ever.
That is too sweet.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.